Hey, ladies and gentlemen, we're back live with our first pack of the 2026 Series 2 baseball. The first box we did recently, no numbered cards, no special inserts, no autograph pulls. So hopefully this box gives us well. We got the Jose Altuve pop, which is about $12.30 right now. And we got that Trey Savage jumbo card rookie. So that's a good little pull there. But let's see what we can get out of the first pack. We got Harrison Bader. Oh, the Giants, cool. That's a cool little one, but not numbered or nothing. Saul Stewart, look at that rookie for the Reds. Ooh, that one's not that good though. He just now got on the Reds. Oh, Gleyber Torres. Look at that, my Tigers. San Fran Luis Arraez, look at that. Yep, no numbered yet, I see. Texas Rangers, Wyatt Langford. Oh, look at that. We got another pirate one. I already got them, but I'll take it. A pirate. Blue Jay Nathan Lukes. We got Rising Suns again insert. The Dodger team, so that's nice. A Cub Jameson Taillon pitcher. No numbered I see or nothing. Let's see, Reds, all smiles, insert, I guess. We got Atlanta Braves, Chris Sale. We got Minnesota Eric Wagaman. And we got, glove work. Jimmy Rollins from the Philly, not numbered or nothing, but a nice little cool insert. And then we got a Stars of MLB, Jackson Chicorico, Brewers. I don't know who that is, but definitely baseball fans, let me know if any good pulls. Romeo, Alex, anyone. But see you on the next one. Peace.